महेंद्र भाई, जीएसटीची मीटिंग झाली दिल्ली. ऑनलाईन गेमिंगाचो विषय परत येयलो मिटिंगेन.
हो, खूप 4-5 स्टेटींनी तो मुद्दो काढलेलो,
हा
इन्क्लुडिंग गोवा. म्हणजे हांवें तेजे मातशें चर्चा केली. एकूच सांगलें की जे टॅक्सेशन तेणी तेंचेर घातला विथ रिट्रोस्पेक्टिव्ह एफेक्ट.
हा
समजलो, जेन्ना 28% ते चार्ज करताले आणि प्री जीएसटी एरा इट वॉज 18%. त्या
हय
5-6 वर्सां पळय ते घातला, तेंचे ते डिमांड रेज केला मोर दॅन 16,000 crore, आणि तेंचे नेट वर्थ ओनली इज 4,000 crore.
हम्म
Any company with a net worth of 4,000 crores obviously cannot pay 16,000 crore as tax. So हे मातशें correction करपा जाय. Nowhere
ओके
it happens that any new tax imposed or rate of taxation is increased. It is never done with retrospective effect.
बरोबर.
So all the states, means most of the states, they said that this is some anomaly which has to be corrected. So every member of the GST Council was ultimately satisfied that if a categorical assurance was not forthcoming, it was for obvious reasons, because this originates from the intelligence unit in Hyderabad.
ओके.
So they have got their own GST intelligence unit, which
हम्म.
has served the notices. So once they realize that it is bad in law, they automatically will withdraw the notices after it has been brought to the notice of the council.
ओके, तशी एश्युरन्स मेळा मिटिंगेन.
So that particular thing was said and discussed, and obviously it means that decisions which can lead to closure of the industry will never take place.
ओके. तेजेर रिलीफ मेळटली न्हू हेंका जेंचे टॅक्स.
ऑब्वियसली रिलीफ मेळपाकूच जाय, नाजाल्यार इंडस्ट्री बंद जाता न्ही. म्हाका दिसना जीएसटी कावन्सिलाची इच्छा आसा वा केंद्राची इच्छा आसा की खंयची इंडस्ट्री बंद जावची म्हणून.
ओके. आनी कितें पॉयंट डिस्कस जाले? मिलेट्सांचेर बी कितें तरी डिस्कशन जाल्लें.
मिलेट्सांचेर जे 12% टॅक्स आसले, ऑलमोस्ट एव्हरीबडी डिमांडेड दॅट इट शुड बी मेड 5%, बिकॉज दिस इज द इयर ऑफ द मिलेट्स.
हय.
माननीय मुखेलमंत्र्यानूय ते मागणी केली की गोवा ऑल्सो डिमांड्स दॅट द टॅक्सेशन on that should be 5%, not 12%. So the honorable chairperson and the council as such agreed to that demand.
ओके.